Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we embark on a journey through the mesmerizing world of traditional fashion with the ever-elegant Ruchira Jadhav. She has become a true fashion icon, known for her impeccable sense of style and her exquisite choices in traditional Indian attire. From graceful saris to resplendent lehengas, her wardrobe is a treasure trove of stunning outfits. So, let's dive into the captivating world of Ruchira Jadhav's traditional fashion choices. Ruchira Jadhav is celebrated for her breathtaking sari collection. Her choice of saris reflects her appreciation for diverse hand-woven fabrics and intricate draping styles. From elegant silk saris to lightweight chiffons, the actress knows how to make a sari look like poetry in motion. Another area where Ruchira shines is her love for lehengas. She often graces weddings and festive occasions in these resplendent ensembles. Her lehengas are a harmonious blend of traditional embroidery and contemporary silhouettes, showcasing her ability to strike the perfect balance. Her choice of accessories is nothing short of stunning. From timeless kundan sets to intricately designed temple jewelry, she pairs her outfits with exquisite pieces that elevate her traditional look to another level. Her traditional fashion choices aren't just about the outfits and jewelry, her hairstyles and makeup play a crucial role in creating her overall look. She often opts for classic hairstyles like the bun or braid and complements them with traditional makeup, which includes bold kohl-rimmed eyes and rich, earthy tones on her lips and cheeks. Ruchira Jadhav's traditional fashion choices aren't limited to a single region. She effortlessly embraces the diversity of India by incorporating regional styles into her wardrobe. From the vibrant Bandhani of Rajasthan to the rich Kanjivaram silk saris of South India, the actress showcases the charm of various traditional attires. She has an innate sense of selecting the right traditional outfits for different seasons. She often see her in lighter, breathable fabrics during the scorching summer months and in warm, rich fabrics like velvet and silk during the cooler seasons. While she's a staunch advocate of traditional fashion, she often blends traditional elements with modern designs, creating a unique and captivating style that's all her own. She is a vocal supporter of sustainable fashion practices. She's seen wearing hand-woven, eco-friendly fabrics and promotes the use of traditional textiles. Her commitment to sustainable fashion sets an example for her followers. The actress has a few signature traditional looks that have become iconic. One of her signature styles is the classic silk sari, which she wears with a contrast blouse and heavy temple jewelry. This timeless combination never goes out of fashion and radiates elegance. What sets Ruchira apart in her traditional fashion choices is her ability to drape a sari in different styles. She often experiments with unique draping techniques that bring a fresh perspective to this age-old attire. Her mastery of draping is an inspiration for sari enthusiasts. Her traditional wardrobe is a kaleidoscope of colors. She's not afraid to play with bright and bold hues, which add vibrancy to her outfits. Her color choices reflect her vibrant personality and make her traditional look stand out even more. While she's known for her traditional choices, she also knows how to infuse a modern touch into her outfits. She's often seen in contemporary sari gowns, pre-draped saris, and fusion lehengas that merge traditional and contemporary elements seamlessly. Her traditional fashion choices often feature collaborations with renowned designers. She's worked with some of the best in the industry to create custom traditional outfits that are a blend of creativity and culture. Ruchira has also emphasized sustainability in her fashion choices. She's seen wearing hand-woven, eco-friendly fabrics, and promoting the use of traditional textiles. Her commitment to sustainable fashion sets an example for her fans. Ruchira Jadhav's traditional fashion choices aren't complete without her stunning hair and makeup. Her hairstyles often feature intricate braids adorned with fresh flowers or traditional hairpins, adding a touch of elegance to her look. Her makeup is a harmonious balance of classic and contemporary, with a focus on accentuating her natural beauty while staying true to traditional aesthetics. Ruchira's bridal looks are nothing short of a fairy tale. She redefines bridal fashion with her opulent lehengas, intricate jewelry, and breathtaking hairstyles. Her bridal choices set new standards for brides-to-be, offering them a world of inspiration for their special day. Her traditional fashion choices shine bright during cultural celebrations and festivals. She beautifully captures the essence of each event, whether it's by donning traditional Bengali attire for Durga Puja or embracing a South Indian look for Pongal. Her versatility in representing various cultures is truly captivating. While Ruchira is known for her opulent traditional choices, she also understands the power of minimalism. Her simple and elegant traditional outfits prove that sometimes less is more, allowing the beauty of understated style to take center stage. The right accessories can make or break a traditional look, and she is a master at accessorizing. Whether it's statement necklaces, intricate bangles, or embroidered clutches, she knows how to select accessories that perfectly complement her outfits. Her traditional fashion choices have evolved. She has transitioned from a more traditional and conservative style to embracing bolder and contemporary designs. Her fashion journey is a testament to her adaptability and her ability to stay on top of evolving trends. Ruchira Jadhav's traditional fashion choices go beyond mere clothing. They are a celebration of India's cultural diversity. She has a profound understanding of the rich heritage of different states and regions in India. Whether it's the vibrant Banarasi silk from Uttar Pradesh, the regal patola saris from Gujarat, or the intricate chikankari work from Lucknow, her wardrobe showcases the essence of various traditions, fostering cultural appreciation. During festive occasions, Ruchira's fashion choices take center stage. Her outfits are carefully selected to capture the essence of each celebration. From Diwali to Navratri and Eid, she elegantly personifies the spirit of these festivals, making her a style icon during such joyous times. What sets Ruchira apart is her ability to seamlessly blend traditional and modern elements. She's often seen donning contemporary designs within traditional outfits, offering a fresh take on timeless attire. This fusion of styles showcases her adaptability and innovative approach to fashion. The actress is a vocal advocate for sustainable fashion practices. She actively promotes the use of hand-woven fabrics, natural dyes, and eco-friendly textiles in her traditional attire. Her commitment to sustainable fashion sets a positive example in an era of fast fashion. Ruchira's traditional fashion choices have reached global audiences. Her appearances at international events, red carpets, and cultural festivals showcase India's rich heritage to the world, making her a cultural ambassador through her fashion. She actively engages with her fans on social media, often sharing details of her traditional outfits and the stories behind them. This transparency and connection with her followers have made her a relatable style icon and a source of inspiration. Ruchira Jadhav's traditional fashion choices are a testament to the timeless appeal of Indian ethnic wear. She demonstrates that traditional attire never goes out of style and can be effortlessly incorporated into contemporary fashion trends. Her wardrobe showcases how traditional ensembles can be both classic and trendy. One striking aspect of Ruchira's traditional fashion journey is her exploration of evolving silhouettes. She isn't confined to one particular style but embraces change with grace. Her fashion evolution reflects her adaptability and willingness to experiment with different traditional looks, from classic to contemporary. Her dedication to promoting Indian heritage handlooms is evident in her wardrobe. She frequently showcases exquisite hand-woven saris from various regions of India. Her support for handloom weavers plays a pivotal role in preserving these age-old traditions. In an era of fast fashion, she has embraced sustainable and eco-friendly fashion. She encourages the use of natural dyes and sustainable fabrics in her traditional outfits, setting a positive example for her followers. Her fashion choices are not just about aesthetics but also about empowerment. She believes that traditional wear is a symbol of strength and resilience, empowering women to embrace their roots and culture. Ruchira's fashion choices for cultural festivals are a testament to her respect for diverse Indian traditions. Whether it's donning traditional Bengali attire for Durga Puja or celebrating Pongal in a South Indian avatar, she effortlessly captures the essence of each festival. While Ruchira is known for her opulent traditional choices, she also knows the power of minimalism. Her simple and elegant traditional outfits prove that less can be more, showcasing the beauty of understated style. The actress' traditional fashion choices represent a captivating narrative of timeless elegance, cultural appreciation, and a deep-rooted connection to India's heritage. Her wardrobe is a visual testament to the enduring allure of traditional attire, with each outfit conveying a unique story. What sets Ruchira apart is her seamless blend of classic and contemporary elements, her willingness to experiment with evolving silhouettes, and her constant support for sustainable and eco-friendly fashion. Her iconic bridal looks redefine modern wedding fashion, setting the stage for brides to embrace their roots with pride and grace. Her fashion journey transcends clothing, serving as a symbol of empowerment for women to celebrate their culture and heritage through style. Ruchira's influence reaches far beyond aesthetics. It represents the resilience and strength found in traditional wear. Her choices inspire, educate, and encourage us to respect and preserve India's diverse cultural traditions, reminding us of the beauty that lies in the timeless appeal of traditional fashion. Her traditional fashion choices are nothing short of a mesmerizing odyssey through the rich tapestry of India's diverse cultural heritage, impeccably woven with her own personal style evolution. Her wardrobe is a gallery of elegance and grace, with each outfit she adorns telling a unique story of tradition and culture. What distinguishes Ruchira is her innate ability to seamlessly blend classic and contemporary, navigating the spectrum of timeless silhouettes to innovative designs with equal finesse. Her fashion choices go beyond aesthetics, they symbolize empowerment, inspiring women to embrace their roots and express their cultural pride through clothing. Her support for sustainable and eco-friendly fashion practices is a testament to her commitment to preserving the traditions of handloom and artisan craftsmanship. Her iconic bridal looks redefine the modern bride's fashion narrative, with opulent lehengas and intricate jewelry that set new standards. Ruchira's influence extends far beyond the world of clothing, it encapsulates the resilience and strength found in embracing one's heritage. Her traditional choices are a celebration of India's rich cultural diversity, and her fashion journey continues to inspire and educate, reminding us of the enduring beauty and significance of traditional attire in our ever-evolving world. The actress' traditional fashion choices are a magnificent tapestry of culture, style, and profound cultural appreciation. Each outfit she adorns is a chapter in the story of India's rich heritage, masterfully interwoven with her evolving personal style. What distinguishes Ruchira is her extraordinary ability to seamlessly blend the classic and the contemporary. She moves effortlessly between timeless silhouettes and innovative designs, making her fashion choices both timeless and trendsetting. Beyond the aesthetics, her fashion is a statement of empowerment, inspiring individuals, particularly women, to embrace their cultural roots and celebrate their heritage with pride through clothing. Ruchira is not just a fashion icon, she's a cultural ambassador, using her fashion choices to communicate the diverse and vibrant tapestry of India's traditions to the world. Her support for sustainable and eco-friendly fashion practices reflects a deep commitment to preserving the craft of handloom weavers and local artisans. Her iconic bridal looks are redefining the modern bride's fashion narrative, with opulent lehengas and exquisite jewelry that set new benchmarks. Her influence goes beyond just clothing, it's a tribute to the strength and grace that can be found in embracing one's cultural heritage. Her traditional choices resonate with millions, inspiring them to connect with their roots, and her fashion journey is a testament to the timeless beauty and significance of traditional attire in an ever-changing world. Ruchira often opts for the classic bun, which pairs wonderfully with traditional saris and lehengas. This timeless choice radiates elegance and grace, often adorned with flowers or traditional hairpins. Braids are a mainstay in her traditional looks, and she occasionally adds fresh or artificial flowers to her braids. This touch of floral elegance exudes festivity and cultural richness. She occasionally decorates her hair with gajras, strings of fragrant jasmine flowers. These gajras are a staple in her traditional hairstyles, adding a delightful fragrance and charm to her looks. The center-parted low bun is a simple yet elegant choice for traditional attire, emphasizing the importance of minimalism in achieving a timeless look. Mogra flowers, known for their distinct fragrance, are used by Ruchira to adorn her bun or braid. The sweet scent of mogra adds an extra layer of charm to her traditional hairstyles. Ruchira often utilizes traditional hair jewelry, such as maan tikka, jade pins, or ornate hair combs, to accessorize her hairstyles, elevating the regal aura of her traditional ensembles. At times, Ruchira enhances her braids with intricate hair jewelry or embellishments, adding opulence to her traditional hairstyle. For a modern twist on traditional hairstyles, she occasionally opts for a half-up, half-down hairdo, striking a balance between tradition and contemporary fashion. While Ruchira is dedicated to traditional hairstyles, she's not averse to infusing modern elements. Occasionally, she incorporates contemporary twists, like intricate braids, to create a fresh take on her traditional look. Her makeup often starts with a flawless base. She prefers foundations and concealers that match her skin tone perfectly, providing an even canvas for the rest of her makeup. Of the defining features of her traditional makeup is the bold and expressive kohl-rimmed eyes. This style brings focus to her eyes, enhancing their beauty and creating a captivating traditional look. She often chooses earthy and traditional shades for her eyeshadow, using colors like deep browns, golds, and maroons that complement her traditional attire. Ruchira often chooses earthy and traditional shades for her eyeshadow, using colors like deep browns, golds, and maroons that complement her traditional attire. Well-defined and elegantly arched eyebrows are another hallmark of her traditional makeup. They frame her eyes and give her a regal appearance. The actress frequently wears bindis that complement her traditional outfits. The bindi adds an element of tradition and symbolism to her overall look. While the focus is often on her eyes, Ruchira adds a touch of subtle blush to her cheeks, providing a warm and healthy glow that complements her traditional appearance. She typically opts for lipstick shades that align with the color palette of her traditional ensemble. Deep reds, maroons, or nude shades are commonly seen, adding an extra layer of tradition to her look. To complete her traditional makeup, she often wears traditional jewelry pieces like jhumkas, maan tikka, and statement necklaces. These accessories enhance her overall look, infusing it with a sense of cultural richness. Ruchira often adorns her neck with statement necklaces that are intricately designed and complement her traditional ensembles. These necklaces can feature traditional motifs, gemstones, and precious metals. Traditional jhumkas, or bell-shaped earrings, are a favorite accessory in her traditional looks. These earrings come in various sizes and designs, adding a delightful jingle to her appearance. The maan tikka is a traditional forehead accessory that Ruchira frequently wears. It's an essential element in bridal and festive looks, often featuring intricate designs and gemstones. Ruchira's choice of bangles and bracelets complements her traditional outfits, with options ranging from intricate gold bangles to glass bangles in vibrant colors. Traditional nose rings, also known as naat, are occasionally part of her look. These can be subtle studs or more elaborate pieces, adding a touch of tradition to her face. Her choice of rings often features traditional designs and gemstones. These rings are carefully selected to harmonize with her overall appearance. The actress occasionally pairs her traditional attire with beautifully embroidered or embellished clutches, which add a touch of opulence to her look. Anklets, or payal, are another accessory she occasionally wears. These delicate chains and bells around her ankles bring a melodious charm to her traditional look. When wearing traditional lehengas and saris, Ruchira sometimes adds waist belts, known as kamarband, which accentuate her waist and add a regal touch to her appearance. Toe rings, or bichwas, are a subtle but significant accessory often seen in her traditional looks. They enhance the beauty of her feet and are symbolic in Indian culture. Ruchira often embraces the beauty of hathfuls, which are ornate hand jewelry that extends from the wrist to the fingers. These intricate pieces come in various designs and can be studded with gemstones, adding a touch of grandeur to her traditional looks. To accentuate her waist and add an element of grace to her lehengas, she occasionally incorporates kamarbands or waist chains. These are often embellished with intricate patterns and gemstones, enhancing the overall charm of her attire. Completing her traditional look, Ruchira sometimes wears payal or anklets around her ankles. These delicate chains, often adorned with tiny bells, create a melodic effect as she walks, infusing her attire with a delightful musical charm. Hair accessories play a crucial role in Ruchira's traditional looks. She occasionally wears decorative hairpins, clips, and other ornate hair accessories, adding an extra layer of elegance to her traditional hairstyles. To accentuate her traditional saris and lehengas, Ruchira occasionally adds traditional belts or waistbands. These can feature intricate embroidery, mirrors, and other embellishments, enhancing the aesthetics of her outfit. She has a penchant for vintage jewelry pieces that have historical and cultural significance. These vintage accessories, often handed down through generations, are a precious addition to her traditional ensembles. For certain cultural events and celebrations, Ruchira occasionally wears turbans or traditional headpieces, adding a unique touch to her look and highlighting her appreciation for diverse Indian cultures. She often includes pocket squares and brooches in her male attire, demonstrating that traditional fashion knows no gender boundaries. Ruchira Jadhav's traditional fashion choices are a testament to her impeccable style and her deep-rooted connection to India's cultural heritage. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.